In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in Excel 2026, step by step. If you want to make your spreadsheet more interactive and easier to navigate, adding a hyperlink is a great skill to learn. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a hyperlink in Excel that points to a website. This is especially useful if you want someone to click directly from a spreadsheet to an online resource, reference page, or company website. To begin, open your Excel workbook. Once your file is on screen, find the cell where you want the hyperlink to appear. This is the cell that will hold the clickable link, so choose the location carefully based on how you want your worksheet to be organized. When you've found the right spot, click that cell to select it. Next, open the hyperlink dialog box. To do that, right-click on the cell you selected. A menu will appear. In that menu, choose Link or Hyperlink, depending on which version of Excel you're using. The wording may vary slightly, but both options take you to the same place where you can set up the link. Once the dialog box opens, make sure existing file or web page is selected. This option is used when you want the hyperlink to send someone to a website or to an existing file. Since we're creating a website link in this example, this is the correct choice. Now move to the address box. In that field, type or paste the full website URL you want to link to. Be sure the address is entered correctly because even a small typo can prevent the link from working properly. It's a good idea to double check the web address before saving. After that, look for the text to display box. This is where you choose what people will actually see inside the cell. Instead of showing the full website address, you can enter something cleaner and more user-friendly, like visit website. This helps keep your spreadsheet looking neat and professional, while still giving viewers a clear idea of where the link goes. When everything looks correct, click OK. Excel will insert the hyperlink into the cell, and it will now be clickable. That means anyone using the spreadsheet can simply select the link to open the website. And that's all it takes to create a hyperlink in Excel. It's a simple feature, but it can make your worksheets much more useful and polished, especially when you're sharing information with others.